In a two-part series, we are spotlighting Mohali in Punjab. What's exciting about this emerging city? What's driving growth and job creation here? And is this a location you should invest your money in? This week, we tell you all about Greater Mohali as an investment destination from the words of its town planners and the state government. The NDTV team files this exclusive ground report from Mohali. Beautiful Chandigarh's modern new neighbour is Mohali, a futuristic sub-city planned to match Chandigarh's scientific town planning. Mohali, officially known as SAS Nagar, enjoys strategic positioning in North India. It's at the cusp of Punjab and Haryana and serves as a gateway to Himachal Pradesh. The planning intention behind Mohali is to turn it into a commercial business district for the Tri-City region. Urban planners of the Greater Mohali region are targeting to draw in a population of 1.3 million by the year 2031. GMADA, or the Greater Mohali Area Development Authority, claims they are on track with the development objectives of Phase 1.
Almost all the connecting roads, all the grid roads, main roads, all are more than 60 meter wide. In some of the area, we are having the roads which is almost 100 meter wide. And the basic concept which they have followed in all the area, they have concentrated on, having the concept of work, live and play.
An international airport has just opened its doors in Mohali. International flights will fly into Mohali from February 2016, and GMADA expects it to give Mohali's economic prospects new wings.
AeroCity, because it is just next to the airport, is project which consists of residential as well as the commercial thing. And in the commercial section, World Trade Center, that is also a good name. They have taken 8 acres of land, and recently they have started construction on site.
Mohali is also being branded by the Punjab government as North India's new hub for IT and ITES companies. And this changing face of Punjab can be seen in the modern office spaces that have been developed in Mohali. A dedicated IT city spread across 1,700 acres has been cut next to the airport along the route to New Chandigarh or Mullapur. Infosys has already been allotted 50 acres here.
Within 3 to 4 year या 5 year हम कह लो 35,000 जो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं वहाँ पे होंगे, नहीं इतना बड़ा रोज़गार मिलेगा। आप देखो कि जहाँ पे 35,000 बच्चा जिसकी सैलरी 1 लाख से 2 लाख है, जिस हल्के में 500-700 करोड़ रुपया सैलरी के रूप में हर महीने आएगा, कितनी इकॉनमी में फ़र्क पड़ता है, कितने ड्राइवर काम करेंगे, कितने घर बिकेंगे।
The Punjab government wants to create jobs and retain its local talent, and for that it's trying to win the confidence of investors.
पूरे हिंदुस्तान में ईज़ टू डू बिजनेस है जो, उसमें पंजाब को बेस्ट यानी नंबर 1 स्टेट है। हमने 23 डिपार्टमेंट्स की पावर्स एक सेक्रेटरी को दी है। इन्वेस्ट पंजाब हमने डिपार्टमेंट क्रिएट किया, इन्वेस्टमेंट ब्यूरो।
However, with real estate markets all over India cold and unresponsive, Mohali's big-ticket projects are bearing the brunt of the slump. We are here in AeroCity, Mohali's flagship project spread across 1,200 acres, right next to the new international airport this side and the IT city on the other side. Bulk of the residential supply here in AeroCity is that of plots, which are totally sold out. But despite AeroCity's fantastic location, investors today are finding it difficult to resell their plots in a profit. Big-ticket projects don't make a city. People need a reason to move to Mohali, and for that the city needs to churn out grade A jobs. In Mohali with camera person AJ Joseph, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV. Okay, next week on the North edition of the Property Show, you can look forward to us filing a report on the real estate market of Mohali and Kharar Banu Road especially.